There are a lot of ways to make money online, but not all of them seems to work. That's okay. Maybe you are just not on the right track and you have missed out on how to do it correctly. But don't worry, you have come to the right place. This channel was created especially for you to learn how to earn hundreds if not thousands of dollars passively. What you are going to see could have a financial impact on you. But before we go further to this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can use this website creativelife.com to start generating anywhere from $100 to $1,000 in passive income. If you are wondering, Creative Life is a company that offers various training and workshops. If I go to the classes area right here, I can see that there are a lot of different types of classes such as business, photography, and Adobe cameras, which fall under the art and design. Customers can purchase a variety of lessons on this website, which has various drawing classes, branding design, and many more. Don't get me wrong, this is a completely free solution that requires no financial investment. But in general, what we will do is direct others to our website and advertise it as a place to buy and sell different courses provided by different skilled teachers. This is a completely legitimate opportunity and website that may benefit a large number of people. It's a win-win situation because you can earn a lot amount of money by referring others to all of these specialists, classes, and individuals can also have a lot of fun while learning a lot of things in this website. So once you get to this website's homepage, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and search for this category over here. Join us and you can see here become an affiliate. Then I want to click on this link which will take you to this page where you can learn more about this affiliate program and how you can make money converting your audience to better content. There are many reasons to love and enjoy creativelife.com. One of which is that they give you a huge amount of income. One of that they give you a huge 30% income share, and there is a lot of commission in the internet world. And they do provide a vast range of different classes and courses that you may be interested in. Furthermore, the second reason I like the affiliate program is that your affiliate link will be tracked for a period of 30 days after you sign up for a free account with their affiliate network. You can start obtaining your unique affiliate links and advertising them in order to earn commission. Additionally, you can receive money on all purchases made by your referral link, in addition to the first 30%. So let's say you are selling these programs right here, such as foundations of photography, and you can see that the pricing is actually $30. From there, you can make a 30% of profit. Furthermore, if your recommended customers decide to buy this course, Adobe Photoshop, or other courses in the music and audio category, or they may just purchase any other of courses within 30 days. Many customers return to our website and make additional purchase after enjoying and learning a lot from the quality of the training. Right now, they are offering a large discount which can see you right here. It's a New Year saving limited time offer and you can only get 50% off the Creator Pass today. So right now is your best opportunity to promote this website creativelife.com because they are running a huge amount of discount. Keep watching because near the end of the video I'll show you a couple of ways to get free traffic by getting free visitors to click on your affiliate links, which will result in a lot of people purchasing these courses through your affiliate link, and you will be able to make money a lot. So stay focused and keep your eyes open. One piece of good news is that I'd like to share you right now. This is that website is presenting a global opportunity, which means anyone from the world can participate here. So all you have to do to join the affiliate program, which is completely free, by the way, is clicking on the sign up button. From there you can scroll down and read more of the affiliate program, which is basically just about 30% of the front end and a 30-day monitoring cookie. When you get to the bottom of the page, you can simply type in your username, password, and country under this section, and then you can just type in your password and continue to complete your registration. Before we go any deeper, I will give you some time to subscribe to this channel and give a big thumbs up if you loved this video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. It's actually quite simple and you can do it less than 5 minutes. So without further ado, let me show you some of the potential ratios available on this website. When you click on the courses, and then all classes, you will be taken to the page where you can see that there are a total of 1,899 classes from which you can send free traffic to a specific online class. And here's where the next issues arise. But what is even cooler is that you can actually send them to some free training and free courses and classes on this website. If your customers or traffic enjoy the free training, many of them go all for purchase it because they are running a huge discount, and many people will love them and make a purchase and earn a commission instantly. For example, if I click on this class right here, Fundamentals of Photography, I can watch the video and see the real cost, look at overall specific includes and the pricing structure, and read a lot of feedback from customer testimonials. Another popular category over here is Adobe Photoshop, which has a large number of customers who are eager to get these courses right now and start learning about photo editing. So now I'm gonna show you a variety of free traffic technique for getting people to buy through these affiliate links. Twitter is really effective approach to gain free visitors and earn a lot of money. All you have to do is just go to twitter.com and sign up for a free account. Now Twitter is basically works like a social media, in that a lot of people come over here to ask a lot of questions, and they can get a lot of targeted traffic from people who are looking to learn Adobe Photoshop. For example, if you get over there and type in the keyword how to use Adobe Photoshop and then click on the search button down below, you can then find a lot of people who are asking this question: how can I learn Adobe Photoshop and how to use Adobe Photoshop? They are only looking for a training classes to learn how to use Adobe Photoshop, and guess what? They are all highly focused visitors, and you don't need to have to invest any money to get them. Another well-known website is Quora. It's generating a lot of free visitors, referrals, and commissions as well. You can search on Quora by going to the search bar and typing in phrases like how to be more productive, because they actually do provide these types of classes on creativelife.com. Self-improvement, entrepreneurship, photography, money and finance are just a few examples. The trick is to cast a wide net in order to catch a verified or fish. For example, you can use Twitter to promote various Photoshop tutorials and camera instructions people, or you could simply go to the Quora and find tagged individuals in the financial and self-development categories. By doing so, you can broaden and horizons and target a wider range of people. Most people are interested in graphic design, and you can easily encourage them to take different classes. You can even display your graphic design, logo design, and other work in the art and design section, and the earning potential ratio is endless. It's absolutely free, and there are various categories of class to pick from. And that's it. If you love similar type of content like this, take a look at all of my videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Bye.